Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Visual V, which the link will be in the description, but I'm going to teach y'all how to, get it, okay? So, one of the first things you're going to want to do is download it. It's going to be in the description below. Download, I'll put the WinRAR thing in there too, because you're going to need WinRAR for this. You're going to want to open, when you click the link, you see this. It looks confusing, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so before we get into Fivem and all the directory stuff, we're going to go into Visual. We're going to click on the Visual. It's going to take you to this. It's going to take you to this type of thing, so we don't really need this anymore. And we're going to go to Content, Update, Update, Common, Data. Alright, you got all this. This looks confusing, but we'll fix that in a minute, okay? You're gonna go over here, or right here, click Open File Location, App Data, Citizen, Common, Data, and here you go. Here you go. So basically what you're gonna do is, I need to make this a little bit bigger so I can grab stuff. You're gonna want to copy it like that and just drag everything over here. See, I already got that, why not do it again? And that's basically it. By the way, this will make your game look like polecats, but there is one more thing that you need, and it will be in the description below too. It's called Radiance. It's optional, okay? But it's really nice to have. So let's go ahead and open another file. I already have it downloaded, so it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be Radiance and settings. Wait. Oh, here. I almost lost it. Okay. It's actually going to be in the same spot. You're just going to... There you go. So that's basically how you download all that. That's really hard to figure out. It's not really that hard to figure out, but that's how you do it. Sorry I got lost here for a minute. I thought I was doing something wrong. If y'all want gun sounds, any of my gun sounds, just DM me on Discord, of course. But for now, I'm gonna open Fivem for y'all and show y'all what the game looks like. So I play on Narc. So let's go ahead and drag this over here because we're not gonna. So let's go ahead and get in. It's gonna have loud music when we first get in, but I'll turn it down. So it's a quick warning right there. See? Told you. Alright. We got it down a little bit. But I run about 1,000 FPS. But when I get in the game, my FPS goes down. So I'm gonna be dropping some FPS right here for my streaming because I go in really high settings. Using 9.9% of my CPU right now. I know y'all really don't care. You just care about what this game looks like. It's probably gonna be really laggy, but at least you'll get the vibe of it, okay? Alright, we're gonna be spawning on the beach. It's a good place to spawn. Here's what it looks like. It looks like no, but when you get into more in depth, like a look at the clouds and the stars, it looks a lot better. So yeah, here, I'll go ahead and show y'all a car, what those look like. You get the reflection off the cloud and stuff. I think it looks pretty sick, to be honest. So yeah, it's basically how to download that. And so yeah, see y'all.